That is the most frequently asked question, that what kind of support Bayful will provide to the franchisee. So we are ghost operating your franchise centers, but on the ground you have to maintain and manage all the things and record keeping to performance checks of your employees who are working under you. Even if it is a salesperson or a trainer, you have to do that. Otherwise, right from the infrastructure building, while you are doing your infrastructure, so the Bayful layout plan is given by the Bayful architectural support, you get the support, the Bayful specification, the colors, the combinations, and even the vendors. If you would like to take these services from Bayful or take help and support, we are there to help and guide you. Then you take about 2 months time to get your infrastructure built up, the classrooms and everything as per Bayful pattern. Then comes the staff selection. So while you are doing this, those 2 months we are hiring, recruiting and training the staff for you. That is a very tedious and a tough job, but until unless we give you the trained staff, trained salesperson and a trained teacher who can teach all the modules, the salesperson who can take counseling for all the Bayful products and services, it is completely a waste. So the most important thing, which is the staff, is trained staff by Bayful is provided to you for the first time to launch your center. So this is something which is very, very important support, I would say. Third is the staff is there, the infra is there. From where does the business leads come from? So the centralized support and services to do digital marketing for you is given by Bayful, and we also do dedicated website creation. We do all the social media, all the portals and all the web page creation, and we train you for maintaining those pages. So you are not only getting the business leads from Bayful HO, but you are also empowered to create your own leads. So now the leads have come and now the conversion is happening, and the trainers are also trained to give training on all the Bayful courses, and also now the record maintenance, how to keep the record and enrollment, what kind of training is provided to the student and all that, all the sales and everything. We train you to maintain your record digitally and also manually. So all that material is also provided. The links are also provided by Bayful to you to maintain your record. Then coming to the franchisee training. So you are new to the business. You don't know this business. So Bayful shares its IPR, intellectual property rights, with you to not only launch this center, but to run this center successfully, operate this center successfully, all the grievance management, how to sustain, how to retain your staff, how to continuously keep taking enrollments and the business growth and everything. So all that you're trained on business development, you're trained on sales, and you're trained on how to manage, operate a Bayful center. So all the training and everything is given to you by Bayful. Manuals are given to you. You are trained physically or on the virtual platform you are trained. Then if there is some kind of requirement from the corporates or from the government sector, we are also supporting you there to take work orders in bulk, in volume, number of students and all. So we will prepare the proposals for you, quotations for you, and we will help and support you in giving the presentation. So the entire operation, right from finish till launch, and the operation for the entire 5 years of your license period, we are there with you. You need training or you need any kind of a support, refreshers training, we are always there for you to help and guide you. So this is something which no franchisor would ever do. So they generally are there till launch, but we are there till your license period is over. Thank you.
Open a Bayful franchise center in your city. To apply now, click on the link in the description, fill the form, and get a chance to meet Alka Gupta and learn to become the industry leader of the education business.